This border animation you are seeing will level up your travel video, and trust me, it is pretty much easy. I will put the link of this drone stock footage where you can download, and let's create this effect with me. Open After Effects, create a composition up to 5 seconds and hit OK. Then drag that video into the composition. If your video is moving, then we need to track the road by adding mocha effect to the video. After adding mocha, double click this mocha icon and it will open the mocha plugin in After Effects. You can see that it takes the full duration length of the video. Now go to the pen icon here and hold and select the breezier one, and then create a mask in around the road like this. If your footage is still, then you don't need to use this plugin. When you have selected and close the mask, then hit this tracker here. You can see it is tracking almost accurate. If the tracking goes off, you can always come back, then track again. For this footage we don't need it. When it's done, then you can add second one also and track the second one. Why I am tracking second one? Because I wanted you to know if one time tracking won't work, then what will you do? After that, save this and close the mocha and expand this and click on the create option. You can see the mask. Then duplicate or drag that original video just below this and hide it, and add the stroke effect to the mask. You can select the path here. I will go to the layer 1, then increase the brush size, then check the value of the end and play with the value till you get only these portions, and set a keyframe to 4 seconds and create a keyframe at the start, and the value will become 0, and it's totally depend on the footage what should be the value, and you can decrease the spacing also. Then visual the second layer and let me play it, and it is super cool. And if you like the video, just hit the like button so it will help the algorithm to reach to new people. Add again the stroke effect or duplicate the stroke effect by Ctrl D and change the part to the layer 2 and adjust the value that I told just now. You can get like this. Nice. If you need the location animation like this, you can search, or I have the Juice plugin which is free, and in that the location animation is there, and add that animation in the end of the video. But if you need to level up this, you need to know the concept of 3D.